So, hello. Hopefully you're Jose watching this. You may be somebody else. So, currently what we have right here is our automated window shading system. Right now, I'll go step through each of the parts of the design so that you can get a better evaluation of our solution. So, if we look over here, we have the pole, the rod attached to a engine or a motor over here, and this is attached with an axle. And then this right here is our curtain, and this is meant to be opaque enough to be able to block anybody from looking in here. If you look at our curtain down here, we have a half-inch PVC pipe that is meant to weigh down the curtain to make sure that it'll roll down with ease, and then it'll also be able to. It also has enough weight to trigger this limit switch.
You guys know the bell ring, right?
Yes, it has enough
No
weight
worries,
to trigger this limit switch down here. You look over here. Here are our electronics. We have another motor over here that's also controlling the rod. Here's our Cortex, which is where all of our programming gets downloaded. Batteries. We have a button here that we want to use to initialize the program. And then we have another limit switch up here. These limit switches will help the program determine where the rod is in terms of position. So if it hits up here, we know that the curtain is at the top of its
You know how to put glue on it, right, Eric?
roll, and if we hit the limit switch down here on the bottom, it'll know that it's at the bottom of its distance. So currently right now, and our light sensor. This is what controls our light sensor down here. If it reads a certain value, it can determine that it is day or there is no shadow, and it'll keep the curtain raised up. And if it reads a certain other value, it'll determine that it is night, and it'll hit the sensor down there and pull the curtain down. Currently right now, our motors are not working, so that is why we cannot give you a proper demonstration. But we are working out some of the code. We are thinking of making some connection issues. So, thank you for your evaluation.